Good day, Raptors. Welcome back to the channel. In the previous video we did the setup of the color switch, and now we're going to actually make a code for it, because at the moment we only have these boxes with all the colors in, and then we made it prefabs like you can see there. So in this video we're going to cover the responding of those boxes, and also we're going to do the optical sponding, and if there's still enough time we'll do the player's code as well, so when it goes through the color change, it will actually change the color, and if it goes through obstacle, to check if the color is the same as the box that we're going through. So let's get into it. Go to map spawn and go to playmaker, and then go to FSM. What's it going to do? It's with Dave. I'm just gonna rename these FSMs. Delete and okay. So create a new FSM to the map spawn, and then go to the action bar and search for random int. There it is, random int, and the integer is going to be between 1 and 5 and include max. Then we're going to go and create a variable. It's going to be set color num. Okay, so after it has picked a random integer, we have to compare the integers so we can, so int compare, add that, and it has to be at the bottom. Come on, sandwich. Move to bottom. Okay, so integer is going to be color num, and first one is going to be 1, and if it's equal to 1 we're going to create a new event and say red. Then I'm just going to copy and paste it 5 times. So we have 1, it's going to be 2, new event, green, red, green, 3, it's going to be new event, yellow, 4, it's going to be blue, and fifth is going to be purple. It's easy as that. Now we have to go and just add a FSM state for each one of them. So that's going to be red, green, blue, and purple. It's easy as that. Yellow, blue, and purple. So at each stage it's going to be basically create object. That's going to be basically what it is. So the object that's going to create at red is going to be red, and the spawning point will be the colors set spawned. It's easy as that. So I'm just going to copy it and paste it in each one. And all I'm going to change is the object. So from red to green, red to yellow, then to blue, and then to purple. Big purple thing. Okay, so that's about it for the spawning of a color. Let's quickly go and see purple, red, purple, purple, blue, red, yellow, and so forth. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a little bit longer. So instead of 50, I'm going to make it 100, and X is going to be 50. Color set be 50. Spawn point would be 100, and then also just the box glider is going to change to 20, so it would still be there. Okay, so the basics of the spawning of the colors is done. As you can see, all of the colors are there. So the next step is the obstacle. So go to map spawn, create new FSM, and rename it to obstacle. I'm gonna make OP, so I would remember it by that. So again, we're going to do exact same. We're going to say random int between let's say between 1 and 3. Now the max will be higher the more obstacles you have. So I'm just going to make 3 obstacles for now, and then show you how to make more of those obstacles. But just remember, the more obstacles you create, you should just change this value and also just compare it, do more comparing to it. So store result to a new variable op optical number and include the max. Okay, then we're going to add a int compare The only reason why I don't want to make like 5 or 6 or 7 is because of these int compares. Will waste a lot of time. So if integer 1 is equal to 1, then it would be op1 Kenobi. And we're going to do exact copy it, paste it 2 more times, change it to 2 and add an event op2 and then also a third, and it would be op3. Okay, and then also make 3 stages. So optical 1, op2, op3, and exact same thing is going to be, create obstacle. And so we cannot actually add the obstacle of the game object yet, because we still have to create the obstacle. Before we create the obstacle, we have to make tags for them. So we're going to say op red, op green, op blue, op yellow, and op purple. Okay, and how it's going to work is we're going to go and create an game object, call this op1 Kenobi. No, I'm just kidding. And going to relocate it at 600, zero it out there, and basically what's going to have in it is cubes. Now there's 18 of these guys in here and we just need 5, so if we resize it to 2 by 2 and zero it out again. Just want to check, just want to make sure about my yeah, you can maybe make it like 2.25, 2.25, or yeah, 2.5, 2.5. Yeah, and I can see that this one still has to go a little bit up. Yeah, so that's easy enough. So let's rename them red, green, blue, yellow, purple, and just add their tags to them. So yellow would be OP yellow, blue would be OP blue, green would be OP green, red would be OP red. And then also just go and add those materials. So red, green, blue, yellow, and purple. So all the colors are added. So that is OP1. Yeah, everything is done. Okay, one more thing, we have to create a add component, box collider, make it a trigger. X is 2, Y is 18, and it's located on the x-axis 20 further. And then you have to add a FSM, and what's going to happen here is going to go and trigger event, and when the player goes through, it will just call a finish, and at finish it's just going to destroy self. So yeah, so that's OP1. Basic, easy. So we can duplicate that 2 more times, rename it to OP2, and here OP3. As easy as that. And all that has to be changed is I'm going to take OP1 in and delete it. OP2 is going to go blue, it's going to come to the middle, yellow is going to go to the top, the green go to the yellow, and red, green, blue, yellow, purple, and you can bring them out if you want to, like that. So that would be OP2. OP2 is done. Then OP3, you can also just go random. As easy as that, where we have our 3 obstacles, and also bring that one in. So in going back to map spawned, and we're going to go to where you see the error at map spawned. We're just going to go and add those guys. OP1 spawned it at OP spawned, and that's about it. Copy, paste, paste, that would be OP3 and also OP2. So let's go and test it out. So yeah, you can see it randomized. So it would be much better to have a lot more obstacles than just 3, because as you can see there's a lot of them that's the exact same after each other, and yeah, so I would suggest about 10 of them would do. So yeah, okay guys, I'm gonna end it here because we've been in 22 minutes already. Remember to go to my Patreon page, go donate, it will really help, and also go and add a comment down below of things that you will change yourself around the game. So what would you prefer to change, and I'll try to do that for you. And yeah, remember to like, go shred that subscribe button. I would always love more subscribers than anyone. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Cheers guys.